Hello everyone and welcome to another spelling and phonics video with Teacher John. I will just go ahead and get started with this week's words. Okay, so there's 3 sounds I want to focus on today. The first sound is the SH sound that we'll just call sh, as in shh, be quiet. The sh sound and the ch sound are 2 different sounds. The ch sound is actually 2 sounds combined. It's a T, t, and the SH sh sound, and then you stop right after. Okay, so we've practiced blending these sounds before. So when you put it all together, it's ch. And notice how important it is to stop. Because if I don't stop, then it's ch. And it does not sound correct. So after you make the ch sound, you need to stop right away. Okay? All right. And our last sound is the qu sound. Qu. Usually, it's the Q, the letter Q, that makes a qu sound, but today we have a special word. CH makes a qu sound in choir. Okay? So let's get started. Our first word is cash. Cash. Cash is what we call paper money, and this has the SH sound at the end. Cash. All right, notice how much longer the sh sound is than ch. Cash. All right, our next word, very similar, but look, we have an R after C. So we need to make sure we say the R in crash. Crash. Okay, crash. When 2 cars hit each other, we call that a car crash. Okay, now I included this next word, catch, because some people pronounce it the same as cash. They're 2 very different words. Catch is when you grab something with your hand. If someone throws a ball at you, you can catch it. Okay, so notice we're doing the ch sound at the end. Catch. Catch. Catch a ball. Catch. All right, great. Our next word is sash. Sash. Again, it has the longer SH sh at the end. A sash is like a cloth belt that you can wear around your shoulder. It's a sash. Okay, and again, a very similar word, but now we have an M that you need to make sure you're saying correctly. This word is smash. Smash. Notice it's not smash. There's no A or U right here. It's smash. Smash. All right, smash is when you flatten something out. You can smash it. Smash. Okay, our next word is snatch. Snatch. Okay, it ends with our ch sound, and we have an SN, snatch. Snatch. Okay, it's not snatch, it's not sanash, it's snatch. snatch is very similar to catch. When you snatch something, you can grab it with your hand quickly. All right, our next word is chef. Chef. All right, notice that even though it starts with CH, it does not make the ch sound. It makes a sh sound. Chef. Chef. This is part of the reason why English is so difficult to learn. Even though it's spelled with a CH, you can see that the initial CH can have 3 different sounds. Sh, ch, and qua. How do you know which one to use? You just have to study. There's no rule. You just have to know the word. This word is chef. A chef is someone who cooks food for a restaurant. Chef. All right, our next word is a science word, and it is shelter. Shelter. Shelter is a safe place for an animal or plant to live and grow. Shelter. So my shelter is a condo or a house. A bird's shelter might be a tree or a birdhouse. Shelter. Shelter. It has the sh sound. Shelter. Okay, our next word is chief. Chief. You see, it has a ch sound in the beginning. I do not have stop after because we have the rest of the word to say. Chief. Chief. Make sure it's not sheaf. It's chief. Chief. A chief is a leader of a group of people. Chief. The Native Americans had leaders. We called them the chief. Chief. All right, and our last word is choir. Choir. You can just imagine this word starts with the Q, with the qu sound. Choir. Why does the CH make a qu sound? I don't know. It's one of the mysteries of the English language. There are many words where the spelling does not make sense, but that's just how it is. So this word is choir. 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 A choir is a group of people that sing a song all together. It is a choir. Choir. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you to practice your pronunciation, and maybe if you can recognize the sounds better, you will do better on your spelling tests in the future. Okay, so that's it for our spelling video for this week. I hope it was useful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!